I, Kasi Kumar Singh, Department of English, SBM Parvat Sena Vidya. I am going to teach you a poem. Today we are going to read this poem, A House, a Home. This poem is very interesting poem. Dear students, as you know, as you find a house, a home, but generally everyone thinks that house and home are the same thing, but it is not the matter. A house and a home both are different to each other. Where you live with your family, with your parents happily, you also understand that that is a house, but that is not a house. The house contains a building. In that building, there should be rooms. In those rooms, there should be doors, windows, and that building is made of bricks, stones, and some things. This poem, A House, a Home, has been composed by Lauren M. Hulley. The poet Lauren M. Hulley has written this poem very nicely. In the beginning of this poem, before you read, here he describes what is the difference between a house and a home. As we have already discussed about house and home, one should never think that house and home is the same thing. You are also suggested to discuss it with your partner. You students, you should also, you can also make discussion about yourself. You can discuss, you can take part in the debate with your partner about it. Then read the poem. First of all, I am going to give you a model reading of this poem. You should care for the pronunciation of those difficult words also. You should listen the poem carefully and read also carefully. What is a home? What is a house? It is brick and stone and wood that is hard, some window glass and perhaps a yard. It is eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. What is a home? It is loving and family and doing for others. What is a home? It is brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers It is unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. In those lines of the poem, we have just found the poem is divided into two parts. In the above lines, we find the introduction about the house. What is a house? It is brick and stone. As we know, a building, a house is made of brick and stone. Brick and stone, ईंट और पत्थर. In Hindi you can understand brick and stone, ईंट और पत्थर. And wood, that is hard. Wood is also used to make a house. Wood, लकड़ी. Some window glass you also find in your school building on the window, or you also find in your house, at your home, in your house, the windows of the room, those are generally made of window glass. शीशे की खिड़कियाँ होती हैं. And perhaps a yard. In that house there is also a courtyard, yard, आंगन, प्रांगण. It is eaves and chimneys and tile floors. Tile floors, you understand tile floors? Tile is a type of stone, that is a costly stone. Floors, eaves and chimneys. Eaves, coated walls, plastered, and chimneys is used to leak out the smoke. The smoke is given out. Thanks you. Today I stop my teaching here. I think you have surely understood about the differences between a house and a home simply. And the next day we shall also read this poem. More thanks to you.